Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to find the values of x and y in each rhombus. And because they have let us know that this is a rhombus, we will then be able to know that all the sides of a rhombus are equal to each other. And therefore, I will be able to form equations. I know that now 3x equals to 24. 2y minus x is also equals to 24. So, I'm going to just do it slowly. I know that 3x equals to 24. This means that at this point here, do write down why are they equal to each other. Okay, you could simply write down they are the sides of a rhombus. And from here, all I have to do is simply to divide by 3 on both sides. I will get the value of x. Similarly, 2y minus 6 is also equals to 24, since it is also the sides of a rhombus. So from here, I will then be able to solve for this. I plus 6 on both sides, so that I will get a 2y equals to 30. After which, just need to divide by 2 to give me the final value of y as 15. We have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.